My name is Sarita Pandey and I speak on behalf of Save America from Hindutva. The RSS is not a cultural organization. It is a Hindu supremacist paramilitary movement whose ideology and networks have been associated with horrific violence against Muslims, Christians and other minorities in India. Killings, attacks on homes and businesses, and the destruction and desecration of places of worship. This movement is not confined to India. For decades, the RSS has built an infrastructure in the United States through deep ideological, historical, and organizational connections with US-based Hindu supremacist groups. Its ecosystem operates through shakhas, student organizations, charities, cultural programs, lobbying campaigns, and political advocacy, seeking influence in our universities, libraries, school system, legislatures, and interfaith spaces. Now, its supreme leader, Mohan Bhagwat, is coming to Madison Square Garden. There is nothing inherently wrong with seeking legitimacy in America, but the question is, legitimacy for what? Bhagwat is seeking American respectability for a movement and an ideology fundamentally at odds with American values of religious equality, pluralism, and equal citizenship. If this event proceeds, its most valuable output will be the photographs and the images. The supreme leader of the RSS beneath the Madison Square Garden name, addressing thousands from a celebrated American stage. Those images will circulate worldwide as evidence that Bhagwat was welcome and honored in New York. This is reputation laundering for an extremist organization. It's equivalent to giving a stage to the leaders of ISIS and Al-Qaeda. The U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom has recommended targeted sanctions against the RSS for responsibility for or tolerance of severe violations of religious freedom. American institutions should not help sanitize its record. Madison Square Garden should not lend its name, prestige and credibility to this project. Mohan Bhagwat and RSS deserve scrutiny and sanctions, not legitimacy, spotlights and applause. We call on Madison Square Garden to cancel this event.